All right, we're just winging this here. Okay, so last time I tried doing the trim with plastic clips, failed miserably. This is a lot tighter. It's a little off. It's probably an inch here and bigger gap there. Anyways, here's what I'm gonna tell you. Save yourself the time and struggle. Order the clips. I got them off eBay for a long bed. I think they're 120 bucks. So you get these metal ones. This is for the big trim. This is for the lower trim. And then you get these butterfly spring pieces. The threaded bolt with the spring goes there, there, wherever you can get it in here. I don't know, I haven't figured that out yet. So here's my plan. I got I think it's a 5/16 bit somewhere in my pocket, maybe right here. Okay, got it. Wasn't prepared. So we're gonna do a pilot hole, then 5/16. So what I found online is the long bed gets 13 holes about 8 inches apart. So unlike this one, this is used trim I bought for like 100 bucks. So I tried to measure that one. Stuff's so old and out of whack, just give up. Tape it up there, eyeball it, because you can measure all you want, but I mean, physically seeing it on there looks better. So I taped it on there. I kind of just cheated, eyeballed it, whatever. Never gonna be a show truck. It's fine. Completely content with that. It's kind of like a practice truck. Anyways. So, tape it on, and then get yourself a carpenter pencil. Just trace the top, trace the bottom. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna put another mark at 8 inches. I might do one right, or wherever I can get it. You know what I'm saying? Obviously you can't get one right here, but you can probably get one right here. They have the diagrams online, but anyways, I'm just gonna go boom, 8 inches, boom, 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 boom. Pilot hole, 15/16. And then I'm gonna poke a little bolt through, see where I can get one of these butterfly, this is what I call it, springy clips. Poke that through. I think when I pulled it off at the junkyard, you know, it's hard to get up in there. That's what I'm saying. So wherever this pokes through, I'm gonna put one as close to the ends as I can to hold it tight, because they like to lift up. The rest of them are gonna get the bigger snap-in clip. Okay, that's pretty much it, man. Tape it up there, mark it with a carpenter pen. I think this one was 5 or 6 holes. Space them out and just keep going. That's all you really got to do. It looks all right. I mean, you know, it'll look good. You know, just don't be worried. Just go for it, man. Anything can be fixed. Up here is going to be a little harder because the fender was dented. Somebody rolled it out. And I got a mix of trim. I got some newer used stuff, and then I got some original, really old stuff. So if you don't know, that one will go about there. Then a filler piece, then this slips in. I'm just gonna keep this clip in there because it's fine. And that's it. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm liking the clips. Don't go cheap. Just spend the 100, 120 bucks and get the OEM ones. Don't get those plastic ones that snap in, and don't try to cheat like me and get some really cheap ones and silicone them on and all that crap. It don't work. It don't work. So I've got the spear, I've got that piece, I've got that piece, I've got the upper door piece. So that's the goal. Get this one line done. Then I got to get the door piece, that piece, and the lower piece. So they had some lower pieces at the junkyard that are skinnier. So top one's thick, bottom one's skinny, but they were really banged up. But I might just go grab them. We'll see. So, yeah, you want to hang out? I'll put it on fast forward and put some music on there.